So now let's understand the complete catalog of the plot options available with MATLAB, and that is the last point in today's presentation. And then we will go ahead to the QA session, Q&A session. Sorry. So we have this second tab available that is called plot. These options available. Like we have MATLAB line plots, MATLAB stem and stair plots, bar plot, scattering plot, and many more to go. Like polar plot, we have seen some of them, right? So if you click on this catalog here, it shows the complete catalog that what all plots available with MATLAB. So obviously MATLAB is having MATLAB and add-on toolboxes like signal, image, data science, like for machine learning and so on. Image processing. So a few plots are available for that as well. But starting with this, so we have this. We have line plots, stem and stair plots, bar plots, scattering plot, graph plot, pie charts, and histogram, and so on. Till this analytic plot, these many plots are available with the basic MATLAB. So what is in this catalog? What is what is more informative thing is that when you select on line plots, then it shows the entire list, like the complete list of plots which are available under line plots. Then when you click on stem and stair plots, then it shows you all the functions which are available in stem and stair plot. Similarly for bar plot, scattering plot, and so on. So when you click on line plots here, and let's say I want to know more about the area plot, then on the right hand side, it also shows you the documentation for area plot like this. So area plot is basically a 2D line plot. Just give me a moment why it is not changing. Yeah, a log, and when you click on the area, so it is taking time to select area plot. I am not sure why, but area plot is same as your plot. The only thing is that you have to fill some data. Yeah. So like this, it shows your documentation on the right hand side. Let's say error bar, and then you can go through documentation, and then you can like plot that particular data. It also shows you some example that how to get started with so and so plot. Yeah. So that is how you can use this plot catalog to get started with a 2D and 3D data visualization. Let's say we have we have some data in MATLAB. So I click on import, and I'll go to that previous Excel file which I have imported.